Alright, good morning and welcome back. So I left off with trying to tie these rods around the frame. Honestly, if I'd thought it through better, I probably would have just made this whole turret one assembly instead of trying to make it a three-piece thing. But I am here, so continue the work anyways. So I guess instead of in these, doesn't rotate too freely. I think as time goes on, it might get better. Alright, here's one wrap done. Now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. It's really difficult threading these rods through here. Alright, I've got the turret pretty much attached. Not as easy or stable to move as I was hoping, but hey, it's just duct tape. The next step is attaching the boom arm here. Okay, so I'm just taking a 5-strip rod, clip off this and trying it again. Just going to leave this pen long for now so I could access it later if I need. Yeah, that's looking good. Okay. Now what? Alright. I think my goal is to work on the part that goes from here to here. Okay, so I've got a good idea for the pistons, so I'm going to start there, I think. So I'm just trying to fold it over, but I'm trying to hit a third to a half, I think. Yeah, so trying to fold it over to a third of the roll. And then I'm just thickening it up to 5 strips. Alright, there we go. We got ourselves a tube. I shall go ahead and make 3 more of these tubes. My 4 rods done, but let me know, would using metal foil tape, actual true duct tape, be cheating? Just like the arms, I gotta fix the pistons so they're not fixed but could freely rotate. Let's try a hole punch. Pretty much made out of aluminum foil but with adhesive. I'm gonna take one of my half-strip cores. Whew, that's a workout. Alright, there's my 1 half-strip duct tape rod. Just let me know down in the comments if you think this is cheating, then I won't do it. Or won't do it on any of my future ones. If you need a really small piece that's actually decently structural, this is the way to go. Alright, so I think I'm just going to take some 2-inch 3-strip rods. Take my piston end, put it right in the middle there. think I want to do pretty much the same design for all of them. Alright, so one of my debates is, do I attach these directly to the frame, or do I skin it and attach it to the skin afterwards? I think it might be easier to attach them onto the skin directly. However, the rod ends, I think it'd be easiest to thread and do it before. I think I'm going to call it here for today. I got my 4 pistons built. I'll attach this end to the skin and this end to the body. Well, if you like what I'm doing, just hit that thumbs up button and I'll catch you on the next one.